Okay, today we have my friend Sam Doyle's Telecaster on the bench. This thing has some pretty big dents in the frets, so it needs a fret level and a crown. And he said that there was some buzzing. I'm gonna guess that's coming from the nut, but once we level the frets, everything will come down, and this string will probably have enough clearance. So I'm gonna assume that we don't need to touch the nut at all. All right, here it is, Sam Doyle's black Telecaster. I guess this is made by Sublime Guitar Company. It's a cool guitar. I love a maple neck telly. And it's got some Fralin split blades in it. It's a nice guitar. It needed a couple things. It needed a fret level, a crown, and a polish, and it needed a setup. So this thing's playing a lot better. As you saw, it had huge dents in the frets. So I was able to get those out and get her playing real nice again. All right, let's check out this big muff I just built. This guitar sounds good with this thing. I hope you enjoyed this. If you need guitar work done, please holler at me. I will get your guitar playing great.